Stop learning Spring Boot like this. If you are watching the tutorials, copying code, and still not confident, you are doing it wrong. And this is exactly why many developers fail in interviews. Let me guess. Suppose you watched 10 plus Spring Boot tutorials and build a CRUD applications. You followed along step by steps. 10 plus tutorials, YouTube channels, or wherever you like, you have gone through it, you followed and build a CRUD applications step by step. But when someone will ask you, explain how Spring Boot works internally, you you are stuck, you are blank, you are not able to explain. That's not your fault. To be honest, that is not your fault. That's the way you are learning. The way you are learning, that is your fault. So here is the biggest mistakes developers makes. So the mistake one is tutorial hell. You watch, you understood, but you don't apply. Your brain feel productivity, but you are not building skill. You are just going through the videos and you run a small code and you are feeling you are confident. So your brain actually productivity, but really you did not get the skills. So that is mistake one. Mistake two, copy paste coding. You type what are the instructions types, but you don't know why it works. Just you saw the tutorial, somebody suggested you do that, you did it, but you don't know exactly why it is working, what is that code internally. And stop three mistakes is no real project. You are doing a simple CRUD application and you are thinking you done everything. A simple CRUD application is not enough anymore. Every developer has that. So you have to do some real project. You have to understand the flow. So companies don't hire you because you watch tutorials. They hire you because you can solve problem. And Spring Boot is just a tool, not the goal. Okay. So the right way to learn the Spring Boot, how should you actually learn Spring Boot? Learn core Java, learn core concept first. Dependency injection, beans, auto configurations, and what are the annotations is using. You try to understand core concept. If you don't know dependency injection, what is auto configurations, and what are the features available, basic features, why we came for Spring Boot. So you should have some basic and background knowledge before starting into the coding. If you don't understand this basic concept, you are just guessing it. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, you watched a video from YouTube or anywhere, any website. You don't try to be copy the code one line by line. What I will suggest, you watch a video and just close that video and try to build a sample project from scratch by yourself. This is where real learning happening. Okay. So build by your alone. Don't try to copy paste everything. You watch a video, try to understand the flow, and you build a scratch project by your alone. So that will be help out. This is the real learning. Actually the happiness will come from your learning. So if you are developing one CRUD application, don't stop there. You don't feel that you develop a CRUD applications and that's all you are able to understand all the Spring Boot concept. No, in that CRUD applications you need to apply security, and logging, exception handling, monitoring, all these small concept, authentication, authorization, you need to add it all features, and you need to try to understand and digest that things. This is what interviewers care about. So suppose when you are using a at the rate rest controller, ask yourself, how does it work internally? Why I am using these annotations? So what is there that at the rate controller, what it is exactly doing? You ask WH question to your mind, then the curiosity will create in your mind, and you will try to understand. You try to understand the concept. So understanding is more important than copy pasting the code. Okay, so I will explain you what is real and what is fake learning. Okay, fake learning means watching videos, copying code, feeling confident. You watch video and copy code and run an application, you are feeling I know everything. Let me show you the difference here. That is not correct actually. So what you need to do, watch video, that is okay. Build your application from scratch by alone. And if any error is happening, you try to debug the errors, try to understand why I got the error. If you get the error and try to fix it, from there only you will learn. Okay, so if you are watching videos and running copy pasting the code, that is a comfort learning. One gives you comfort and another one gives you a career. You you develop a application, try to develop a application by your own, you will fail and come to the videos, check why you failed. Otherwise you search the error, why you failed, how to fix that errors. Like this, if you try, keep on try, then you will learn that. Okay, so you try to take more burden whenever learning the things. Don't take it easily like copy pasting kind of things. Okay, more burden in the sense like you try to implement, try to invest your mind there to learn the things and understand the concept. Okay, so if you continue like this, like watching video, running the code, you will keep on watching tutorials months by months, and you will feel that you know the concept, but whenever somebody will ask you some cross questions, you will not able to answer that. So that will not work out actually. Okay, but if you switch your approach today, if you switch the approach, then you trust me, I will say within 90 days you will become very strong. You try to understand the things and don't copy paste the code, just understand, then you can copy paste all syntax, you no need to remember, but by understanding the code you can copy paste. Okay, so just blindly, don't follow blindly, try to do it. Okay, so the action plan, what you need to do, I'm just telling clearly. Pick one project. Okay, build it without tutorials, like you watch the tutorials, then close it and build it. Okay, add real world features, don't like simple applications, don't do that. For first time learning simple application you did, after that you try to add more real world features. Okay, and understand every line of code, no need to remember the syntax, I'm asking you to understand every lines of code. Okay, that's why, that's how you become different. Okay, so this should be your action plan. Okay, if you want real backend skill, okay, so then you can follow to my channel. Okay, so I will make you strong actually. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and don't try to be consuming from any of the channel from anywhere. Try to build yourself, try to build your applications, and try to ask some WH question to your mind, why you are doing. If you would have not there in that features, what will happen? All these things you ask to your mind. Okay, it will be really helpful to you. And if you got something from these videos, what I wanted to say that the way of learning, the right approach to learn that Spring Boot or any framework in the Java or any other languages, that will be really help out. If you really getting something from these videos, please like and put some more comments on these videos, like what is your opinion on this. You may suggest more opinion like how we can learn. Thank you so much. Let's meet in next videos.